Hi there. Welcome to the Dr. Kathy Show. I am Dr. Kathy Nickerson, your love champion, and today we're going to answer a question from Micah, who is a follower on Instagram. Micah asks, "My marriage is in a really bad place. How can I start to make it better on my own? My wife doesn't want to go to counseling." Okay, thank you so much for this question, Micah. It's actually a really common thing. You know, a lot of people are not very excited about doing relationship counseling. I've even had people tell me that they're, convinced that going to marriage counseling or relationship counseling is going to bring about the end of their relationship. And that breaks my heart because that's the opposite of what should happen. So I'm happy to give you some ideas for how you can make your relationship better on your own. So without knowing more about what's going on, I can tell you that the place to start is to start by being more positive. Stop talking about all the problems in the relationship. Stop focusing on the negative. Stop being negative. Stop complaining. Stop moping. Stop walking around the house and being kind of agitated and negative. And instead, as you see, I have a friend joining me for today's video. This is Starsky. He enjoys giving relationship advice. Okay, so be more positive, right? Give compliments and praise to your wife. Talk about what's good. Try to remember good feelings and good moments. If you can do that, it's going to kind of change the energy in your relationship. You're going to feel a lot more positive. Your wife will feel a lot more positive. You'll get out of this very negative place that you guys are probably stuck in. Okay, so more positivity, more praise. Give compliments where you can. Is your wife doing a great job with the kids? Say something. Did she do something that was very thoughtful, like cook dinner or make your lunch or, pick up your mom from the airport? Make sure to say thank you for that. Any kind of praise or compliment really goes a long way. Also, point out things about her that are uniquely good, right? Thank you so much for, helping me revise my resume. I really appreciate you're such a good, writer. That will really make her feel good as well. Okay, so in addition to that, I think it would be really good for you to be more helpful at home. It's interesting. We've done a lot of studies on what creates happy, healthy relationships, and being, helpful at home is highly correlated to having a long-term healthy relationship. So dive in there, right? Help do the dishes, help cook dinner, go grocery shopping, pick up the kids, do whatever you can to be helpful. That should, make a big difference and make your partner feel like, oh, okay, he's willing to help. He's willing to do more. This is a good thing. Maybe things aren't quite as bad as I thought. And then, above and beyond that, I think you guys obviously will have to start talking. You'll have to start talking about what's going on and what's causing you guys to struggle. But you absolutely cannot go wrong by really pumping a lot of positivity into the system. Where most people go wrong in trying to heal their relationship is they start by diving right into all the problems and talking about the worst possible things. That is the opposite of what you want to do. So really focus on being positive, giving lots of praise, pumping as much good stuff into the relationship as you can. I mean, don't go crazy, right? Don't start buying flowers every day. Don't start writing over the top love notes. Don't make a reservation to fly to Paris. That's too much. Start with all the little things. Be nice, friendly, warm, positive, helpful at home. And that's going to start to turn the tide. And I hope you'll keep me posted on how you're doing with that and if you need a little bit more help. Okay, so if this video helped you, I hope you will click like and subscribe. I also invite you to come over to drkathynickerson.com and check out all the free tools and resources I have for you there. And I will look forward to talking to you next time. Okay, thanks so much.